Hello, this is Math Kangaroo 2017, How to Solve Levels 3 and 4, Problems 6 through 10. Problem 6. The table shows correct sums. What number is in the box with the question mark? 6 plus 11 is 17, 6 plus 7 is 13, 6 plus 2 is 8, and what plus 2 equals 11? 9. So, we would add 9 to 7 to get the question mark. As you can see here, you'd get 9 plus 7, which is 16, and there's your answer. Dolly accidentally broke her mirror into pieces. How many pieces have exactly 4 sides? This one's a trick because it's not a trick. Most people would think that a problem that's as easy as this would be a trick. But no, all you have to do is count how many have 4 sides, and that's the answer. As you can see here, there are 4 with 4 sides, so the answer is C. Problem 8. Here's a necklace with 6 beads. Which of the pictures below shows the same necklace? A, B, C, D, and E. If you look at this, there is a black and a white on each side. See, that already eliminates D and E. Then B can't be it because there's too many consecutive beads. Then, to find out A and C, just find the pattern. And as you can see here, A is the answer. Problem 9. The picture on the right shows the front of Anne's house. The back of her house has 3 windows and no door. Which view does Anne see when she looks out the back of her house? A and B are eliminated because there's no door. C is eliminated because there's only 3 windows. Then D is eliminated because the chimney is on the wrong side. And as you can see here, the answer is E. Problem 10. 4 blue circles and 1 red square equals 3 red squares. Which of the following is true? E is the correct answer because if you substitute 2 blue circles in for each red square, the equation balances. And as you can see here, E is the answer, and this is another way to solve it.